Hi everyone, welcome to Computation Chemistry Tutorials. Today we are starting the first video of a new playlist on our channel, which is gonna be focused on NAMD troubleshooting. We will take an error and fix it in a very short video. So today's error is very common, which is end-of-line error. Sometimes your simulation crashes and you find fatal error abnormal EOF found and buffer end. So that's a very common problem, and it is EOF means end of line error, and this means that one of your input files, which is PDB, PSF, or the parameter files, was interrupted while being generated. And from my experience, the most common error comes from an interruption of the parameter files. And this happens if you are generating topologies or parameters of molecules that does not exist or that don't exist in the force field by default. For example, here's a molecule I generated topology by the charm general force field, or CGenFF, and it generates a topology as you see here, and then it ends because these atoms are already defined in the force field, so I don't need to redefine the bonds and dihedrals or impropers or whatever, so it keeps them empty. So I mean, the atom CG331 could be an aliphatic carbon, which is already defined in the force field, so we just need the topology and the charge. So it should have stopped here after end, but it tries some stuff that unnecessary, and this what creates the problem. So there are two ends here. So what you have to do to fix this problem is just you need to remove all of this and just save the new file, and now it will work. If it didn't work, and it will mostly work, so the problem could be in your PSF file. It could have been interrupted while being generated, or in PDB. So search in the middle of one of your files that it's interrupted twice. You had an it ended twice or interrupted twice. It had an end here and an end here. It could be end in the middle of anywhere. So here, just for the sake of the tutorial, I have very short parameter files. So just you need to remove it and keep only one interruption or one end. Yeah, let me know if it's working or not. If it didn't work, we will try it together in the comment section. That's it, and see you in the next error in the next video.